Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of our video changelog. We released a lot of stuff this month, very excited, so let's get started immediately. The first one is one of the top requested features lately. We now inside of the Asset Manager support importing saved audiences from Facebook. We had saved audiences for a long time. Actually, we invented saved audiences before Facebook even had them. But so far we were not importing the saved audiences that you already had in Facebook. Now it's possible. If you go on the Asset Manager, you will see that we have created for everyone a specific folder, saved audiences, and within that you will find all the saved audiences that you had created in Facebook. Right now you cannot edit them or write them back in Facebook. This is a Facebook limitation, but we are working with them to get access to this feature as well. Really amazing. Any new targeting option, any new things that Facebook maybe release and we are not supporting it yet, you can now use it within AdEspresso. Just add it into your saved audience. We will import it and you'll be able to use it when creating targeting for your advertising campaign. So, big one. We have other small improvements, but very useful for all of you. The first one that I really want to mention is Target CPA. This is a new bidding system for Facebook, and basically what it lets you do is not say I want to pay X for a click or an impression, but basically set a target price for a conversion. It works with mobile app, website app, other kind of ads. It's very effective. I've been trying it on some of my campaigns. It works pretty well. The important thing is set a realistic target CPA. Look at your previous campaigns. If your average target CPA has always been like $4.5, use that as the bidding for this new system. Then slowly you can decrease it. But if your average CPA has always been $4, don't create a campaign and set an unrealistic target of $1 because Facebook won't be able to optimize. But set a realistic CPA and then slowly decrease it, and I can assure you it works like a charm. The other option still in the optimization bidding realm is on Messenger ads. So far you could optimize Messenger ads in AdEspresso for messaging, so for people opening the Messenger box. Now we have a new optimization method, which is replies. This way you can ask Facebook to optimize the campaign to get replies to the messages on Messenger from the user that clicked the ad. If you're doing Messenger ads, this is a really great new optimization system. Next, custom audiences. Last month we announced that we were releasing the creation of engagement-based custom audiences. This month we are releasing video custom audiences. So just head over to the Asset Manager, which you can find under Tools, and from there, New, Create Audience, and then you can select that you want to create an audience based on people that watch your video. And that's all on the Facebook side, but we have a lot of news also on the Google side, of course. So let's see what we have released this month. The first thing is ad rotation. Within an ad group, if you open advanced option, you can decide how you want to manage ad rotation. Basically, what you are telling Google is if you want Google to evenly split the budget across all the ad, or if you want Google to learn which ad is working better and do their optimization and start displaying more the ad that is performing better. So it's pretty useful. And also within the ad group management, we introduce a new feature to clone an ad group. This is very useful, big time saver if you are creating a lot of ad groups that are very similar among them, but maybe just changing a keyword or some little elements. This way you can just create the first ad group and then clone it and just make the edits that you need. I think this is going to save you a lot of time, at least it did for me. The other improvements are still in the management. If you go under all campaigns inside of AdEspresso, you can now copy a campaign, which is really useful. Just click copy on the action of that campaign and you can start a brand new based on the setting of a previous campaign. And another big news, you can now delete campaigns and also draft. Some of you complained that they had too many drafts, it was tough to manage them. You can now delete them. So that's all for this month. Let me wish you an amazing Christmas and Happy New Year, and we'll catch up at the beginning of January, because we have a bunch of other stuff that are very cool and that we are testing in these days. Just didn't want to spoil them, but we'll be releasing them at the beginning of January. Ciao, ciao!